From plug-in motion sensor lights to ingenious kitchen tools, these finds are game changers. Before you make any purchases, check out these incredible gadgets that could completely transform your daily routine. Number 8. Plug-in motion sensor lights. If you're tired of stumbling in the dark or fumbling for light switches, this is the ultimate solution you've been waiting for. What sets these lights apart? Let's start with the fact that you can adjust the brightness to suit any situation. Whether you want a gentle 2700K soft white glow for a cozy night or a brighter setting for better visibility, you can easily slide the switch to adjust the brightness from 0 to 25 lumens. It's like having custom lights at your fingertips. But that's just the beginning. These lights come with 3 versatile modes to fit your every need. Want them on all night? Switch to on mode. Need them off? Just hit off. But the real magic happens in the auto mode. This is where the lights automatically turn on when they detect motion within 15 feet and a wide 120-degree range. They stay on for 20 seconds of inactivity, which means they'll light up your path exactly when you need it, and then turn off to save energy when you don't. Installation could be easier. Just plug them into any AC outlet and they're ready to go. Plus, their compact design means they won't block the second outlet, so you can still use it for other devices. And speaking of energy efficiency, these lights are as cost-effective as they come. With a maximum power consumption of just 0.5 watts, running them costs less than $0.20 a year. That's right, powerful, reliable lighting that won't break the bank. Number 7. 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder. Tired of the endless mess and clutter at your kitchen sink? This 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder is here to change the game and make your dishwashing routine smoother than ever. Imagine pressing down on your sponge and instantly getting the perfect amount of dish soap. No more fumbling with slippery bottles or dealing with excess soap everywhere. This smart gadget combines a sponge holder and a soap dispenser in one sleek design. With an impressive 8.5 fluid ounce capacity, it holds enough soap to last through multiple washes, so you won't be constantly refilling it. When it's time to refill, just pop off the top, pour in your soap, and you're set for days. One of the best features? No more annoying leaks or spills. The dispenser's compact leak-free design keeps your countertop clean, and when you need to empty any excess water, the top layer lifts off easily. Plus, it dispenses a precise amount of soap with each pump, cutting down on waste and saving your money. Made from BPA-free materials, this dispenser is not only safe to use, but also incredibly economical. Number 6. Magnet screws for light switch to hold keys. These magnet screws offer a sleek contemporary design that effortlessly transforms your old setup. Installation is a breeze, taking less than a minute. Simply replace your current light switch cover screws with these magnet screws. No need for drilling or extra tools, just a quick swap and you're done. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These magnets are much stronger than typical ones. Each magnet can hold up to 3 pounds of weight, making them perfect for keeping your keys, padlocks, and other essential items securely in place. You can use these magnet screws all around your home. Install them near your entryway, in the garage, or even in the office. They provide a handy place to hang your keys and other frequently used items, making organization effortless. Worried about your electronics? Rest easy knowing these magnets are completely safe to use around your electronic devices. They won't interfere with your remote controls or wireless key fobs, so you can enjoy a clutter-free space without any concerns. Number 5. Toothbrush holder wall-mounted with automatic electric toothpaste dispenser. Ready to take your bathroom game to the next level? Introducing the ultimate wall-mounted toothbrush holder with automatic toothpaste dispenser, a revolutionary gadget that transforms your daily routine. With its built-in dispenser, you get the perfect amount of toothpaste every single time. No more squeezing, no more mess, and no more waste. Plus, the dispenser is super easy to clean and put back together, ensuring your bathroom stays pristine. The upside-down cup design keeps your brushes and cups hygienically dry by allowing water to drain quickly and preventing dust buildup. It's like a protective shield for your toothbrushes. The top tray is a game changer too. It's not just a spot for your toothpaste, it's a spacious multi-grid storage area where you can organize everything from soap and combs to cosmetics and razors. And it comes with an extra drawer for even more storage. And it comes with no drilling stress. Just stick it to any smooth surface like tiles, glass, or metal. Number 4. Mini projector. This projector supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. The 5 GHz connection is great for fast streaming and gaming without interruptions, so you can watch your favorite shows or play games smoothly. Plus, it comes with Bluetooth functionality and high-quality stereo speakers, letting you connect wireless headphones or speakers for a superior sound experience. The VOP LLS mini projector is upgraded for 2024, featuring a bright 12,000 L LED light source and supporting 1080p Full HD resolution. This means you get clear, vibrant visuals whether you're indoors or outdoors. Despite its compact size, just 6.69 by 4.9 by 2.64 inches, and weighing 1.4 pounds, it delivers a powerful performance. You can easily carry it in your bag, making it ideal for travel or camping trips. For those immersive movie nights, this projector offers a huge screen size of up to 210 inches. You can adjust the projection from 35 inches to 210 inches, and the zoom function allows you to resize the image from 100% to 50% using the remote control. This flexibility means you can enjoy a cinematic experience no matter where you are. Number 3. Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Now finally in our top 3 winner, meet the Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate game changer for anyone tired of dealing with clutter and dust. First off, this vacuum operates with just 2 AA batteries, which are not included but easy to find. Once you pop them in, you get up to 2.5 hours of cordless freedom. Say goodbye to the hassle of tangled cords and constant plugging and unplugging. With this mini vacuum, you can tackle messes anywhere, whether it's on your desk, in your car, or around the house. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 360-degree rotatable design. Its clever design allows you to reach every corner and crevice effortlessly. No more struggling to clean behind furniture or in tight spaces. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach areas that traditional vacuums can't handle. Let's talk power. Despite its small size, the Desktop Vacuum Cleaner delivers a robust 1000 PA suction power and spins at an impressive 9000 RPM. This means it can handle everything from tiny dust particles to large debris such as pet hair and food crumbs. Plus, it operates quietly, so you can use it while working, studying, or even relaxing without being disturbed. Ease of use is another major plus. This vacuum is incredibly user-friendly, making it suitable for everyone from busy students to tech-savvy seniors. Simply hold it in your hand, turn it on, and glide it over your surfaces. It's lightweight and portable, making quick cleanups a breeze. Whether you're tackling a sudden spill or doing a routine tidy up, this vacuum is your go-to solution. Number 2. Meter Block 4 Pro Premium. Now this one is a bit costly, but if you love cooking, then you're surely going to love this one. Elevate your cooking game with the Meter Block 4 Pro Premium, priced at $299.95. This advanced tool is perfect for anyone who loves precision in their cooking. With its long-range capabilities, you can monitor your meal from up to 165 feet away, thanks to built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you prefer to cook without your smartphone, the Meter Block standalone mode lets you manage everything directly from the device. The Meter Block comes with 4 probes, each equipped with dual temperature sensors. This means you can keep track of both the internal temperature of your meat, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and the surrounding ambient temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit at the same time. This feature ensures your food is cooked evenly and perfectly. One of the standout features is the guided cook system. It walks you through the cooking process step by step, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. You can set up custom alerts and notifications based on temperature or time to help you stay on track. This also includes an advanced estimator algorithm. This smart tool estimates the ideal cooking and resting times for your dishes, removing the guesswork from meal planning. For convenience, the Meter Block uses a micro USB port for power, so you don't have to worry about AA batteries. However, keep in mind that the micro USB connection does not charge AA batteries, and the cable is not included in the package. Number 1. GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. This versatile appliance is designed to handle all your breakfast needs in one compact unit. The GreenLife Breakfast Station features a special ceramic non-stick coating that's free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook your meals with peace of mind, knowing they're not only delicious but also safe. With its 3-in-1 design, this gadget includes 2 girdle compartments and a toast drawer. You can cook a variety of breakfast items simultaneously. The dual girdle compartments allow you to prepare multiple foods at once, making breakfast a breeze. The bonus toast drawer is another great feature. It lets you toast up to 2 pieces of bread while your other dishes cook. This means you can have a complete breakfast ready in no time without needing extra appliances. To keep your cooking on track, the breakfast station includes a built-in timer. This adjustable timer helps you keep track of your cooking time, so you won't have to guess when your food is done. For easy monitoring, the tempered glass lid comes with a steam vent. Which gadget did you like the most? Do let us know in the comments below, and for your convenience, I've mentioned all these links in my bio, so make sure to check them and make sure you don't miss out on these amazing products.